In this video, we listed the 5 best travel-sized first aid kit on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Large Capacity Family Medicine. Large Capacity Family Medicine Organizer Box is a portable storage solution designed to accommodate a wide array of medical supplies, making it ideal for households seeking to streamline their first aid and emergency preparedness efforts. This organizer box offers ample space to store various medical necessities, ensuring that families have quick access to essential supplies during times of need. With its large capacity, this organizer box can accommodate items such as bandages, antiseptics, medications, and other essential medical tools. Its portable design allows for easy transportation, making it convenient for families both at home and on the go. Whether it's minor injuries, sudden illnesses, or unexpected emergencies, having a well-organized and fully stocked medicine storage container like this one can provide peace of mind and ensure prompt care when it matters most. In essence, the Large Capacity Family Medicine Organizer Box serves as a practical solution for households looking to maintain a comprehensive and easily accessible first aid kit, empowering them to handle medical situations effectively and efficiently. Number 2. Survival First Aid Kit. The Survival First Aid Kit is an essential component for military personnel and outdoor enthusiasts alike, designed to provide comprehensive medical support in emergency situations. This full-set MAL outdoor gear encompasses a range of supplies tailored to address injuries and medical needs that may arise during camping, hiking, or other adventurous activities. Key features of this kit typically include bandages, wound dressings, antiseptics, and various medications to manage pain and infections. Additionally, it may contain specialized equipment such as tourniquets, splints, and CPR masks for more severe injuries. The MAL design allows for easy attachment to tactical gear, ensuring quick access to critical supplies when needed most. In demanding environments where professional medical assistance may be limited or inaccessible, having a well-equipped survival first aid kit can make a crucial difference in stabilizing injuries and potentially saving lives. Whether facing minor cuts and bruises or more serious trauma, this comprehensive kit is designed to provide individuals with the tools necessary to address a wide range of medical emergencies effectively. Number 3. Handy First Aid Kit. The Handy First Aid Kit is a waterproof medical bag designed to provide essential medical supplies for various situations, including workplace emergencies, outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and cycling, as well as for use in cars and during travel. This first aid kit is specifically crafted to address a range of potential injuries or medical emergencies that individuals may encounter in these settings. Featuring a compact and portable design, the Handy First Aid Kit is convenient to carry and readily accessible when needed. It is equipped with a comprehensive selection of medical supplies and equipment, including bandages, antiseptic wipes, adhesive tape, scissors, tweezers, gloves, and various medications for pain relief and treatment of minor injuries. The kit's waterproof construction ensures that its contents remain protected from moisture and environmental elements, making it suitable for use in outdoor and unpredictable weather conditions. Its durable design also makes it well suited for frequent travel and outdoor adventures where ruggedness and reliability are paramount. Number 4. First Aid Kit's Emergency Rescue Backpacks. First Aid Kit's emergency rescue backpacks are essential components of any preparedness plan, whether for outdoor adventures, camping trips, or emergency situations. These backpacks are specifically designed to provide users with a comprehensive range of medical supplies and tools to address a variety of injuries and emergencies. One of the key features of these backpacks is their large capacity, allowing for the inclusion of a wide assortment of medical supplies. From bandages and gauze pads to splints and tourniquets, these kits typically contain everything needed to administer basic first aid and address more serious injuries until professional medical help can be reached. Organization is another crucial aspect of these emergency rescue backpacks. The supplies are often sorted and stored in a systematic manner, making it easy for users to locate the items they need quickly in high-stress situations. This sorted storage system not only enhances efficiency but also ensures that crucial time is not wasted searching for supplies during an emergency. Moreover, these backpacks are designed to be durable and rugged, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor activities and adverse weather conditions. This ensures that the medical supplies remain protected and intact, ready for use when needed most. Number 5. Tactical First Aid Kit. The Tactical First Aid Kit, commonly referred to as an IFAK, Individual First Aid Kit, is a crucial component for individuals engaged in military operations, outdoor activities like camping, and anyone prioritizing emergency preparedness. These kits are specifically designed to provide immediate medical assistance in high-stress situations. They typically contain essential medical supplies such as bandages, gauze, adhesive tape, antiseptic wipes, trauma shears, tourniquets, and gloves. The contents are chosen to address common injuries encountered in tactical environments, including gunshot wounds, lacerations, and fractures. In the context of a car, having a tactical first aid kit can be invaluable during accidents or emergencies on the road. It enables individuals to administer immediate aid until professional medical help arrives. The compact size and durable packaging of these kits make them suitable for storing in vehicles without taking up much space. Furthermore, tactical first aid kits often come with modular lightweight load-carrying equipment compatibility, allowing them to be attached to backpacks, belts, or other gear for easy access. This feature enhances their versatility and accessibility during outdoor activities or military operations. In addition to their medical utility, some tactical first aid kits may include items for self-defense or survival purposes, such as fire starters, signaling devices, or multi-tools. This comprehensive approach ensures that individuals are equipped to handle a wide range of emergency scenarios effectively.